Turmeric water at night benefits. Doctors never say 10 health benefits turmeric water. Welcome to today's video discussing the advantages of consuming turmeric water at night. Imagine if I were to reveal to you a straightforward beverage you can prepare tonight, one that has the potential to transform your life. Picture this, a beverage that has been utilized for centuries to address various health concerns. What if I were to inform you that this elixir can be crafted with only 2 common kitchen ingredients, which you likely already possess? We're talking about turmeric water, and in this session, we'll delve into 10 remarkable benefits of incorporating it into your bedtime routine. But that's not all, we'll also guide you through crafting the perfect cup of turmeric water and share some tips and tricks to help you make the most of its advantages. If you're eager to unlock the potential of turmeric water, grab a mug and embark on this captivating journey with us. Before we begin, please remember that the information provided in this video serves solely for educational purposes and should not be considered a replacement for professional medical guidance, diagnosis, or treatment. Now, let's delve into the individual benefits of turmeric water. 1. Regulate blood sugar levels. Turmeric, a spice with a rich history in traditional medicine, boasts formidable anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that have been revered for centuries. Recent scientific investigations have shed light on curcumin, the active compound within turmeric, unveiling its potential to regulate blood sugar levels by enhancing insulin sensitivity and mitigating insulin resistance. In a study featured in the Journal of Endocrinology and Metabolism, researchers observed that supplementation with curcumin led to enhanced fasting blood glucose levels and increased insulin sensitivity among individuals with type 2 diabetes. Additionally, a separate study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry unveiled curcumin's capacity to lower blood sugar levels by inhibiting enzymes responsible for the conversion of carbohydrates into glucose. Incorporating turmeric water into your nightly routine presents a straightforward yet effective method to integrate this health-promoting spice into your diet. This practice holds the promise of reducing fasting blood glucose levels and augmenting insulin sensitivity, thereby fostering long-term advantages for overall well-being. 2. Improves brain function. In recent times, turmeric water has garnered significant attention due to its potential contributions to enhancing brain function. The impact of turmeric water on cognitive well-being cannot be understated, as several studies have shed light on its potential benefits. Research indicates that curcumin, a key component of turmeric, holds the potential to enhance cognitive function, memory, and even reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. One noteworthy study, featured in the American Journal of Geriatric Psychiatry, demonstrated that curcumin supplementation led to improvements in memory and attention among individuals experiencing mild age-related memory decline. Curcumin's mechanism of action involves the reduction of brain inflammation, a factor that can impede cognitive functions. Moreover, it fosters the elevation of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein known for its role in promoting the growth of new brain cells and enhancing synaptic plasticity. By incorporating turmeric water into your nightly routine, you can harness the potential brain-boosting benefits of curcumin. So, if you're seeking to enhance your cognitive abilities, consider giving turmeric water a try tonight. 3. Reduces anxiety and depression. I'm excited to share some intriguing insights regarding how the consumption of turmeric water at night can play a role in reducing anxiety and depression. Recent research has unveiled the remarkable potential of turmeric, a golden spice steeped in centuries of traditional medicinal use. A groundbreaking study, aptly titled "Curcumin in Antidepressant Treatments," delves into the remarkable compound known as curcumin, the primary active ingredient found in turmeric. Curcumin possesses a formidable array of properties, including anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and neuroprotective qualities, all working in harmony to combat anxiety and depression. However, the benefits of turmeric go beyond curcumin, as this spice contains over 100 other beneficial compounds, including turmerone and elamine, which further contribute to these positive effects. When you enjoy turmeric water at night, it promotes the release of serotonin and dopamine, two neurotransmitters that play a pivotal role in mood regulation and sleep management. This magical elixir effectively acts as a natural antidepressant while also enhancing the quality of your sleep, a crucial aspect of mental well-being. In summary, incorporating turmeric water into your nightly routine offers a potent, natural means of warding off anxiety and depression. So, there's no need to delay any further. Seize the opportunity to experience the remarkable benefits of turmeric and infuse a touch of golden goodness into your life today. 4. Supports liver health. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice renowned for its robust medicinal attributes, owes its therapeutic prowess to a set of unique compounds known as curcuminoids. While the most famous member of this group is curcumin, other constituents, such as dimethoxycurcumin and bisdimethoxycurcumin, also play pivotal roles in bolstering liver health. Now, here's the captivating revelation. Recent research has illuminated the remarkable properties of these curcuminoids, including their potent antioxidative, anti-inflammatory, and liver protective effects. A study published in the 2020 issue of the journal Antioxidants unveiled how curcuminoids can effectively counteract detrimental free radicals, mitigate inflammation, and stimulate the regeneration of damaged liver cells. Furthermore, the consumption of turmeric water at night actively supports the production of bile, a vital component in the breakdown of fats and the removal of toxins from the body. In fact, a study featured in the 2019 edition of the Journal of Food Science and Technology discovered that turmeric extract can enhance liver function by increasing both bile production and its smooth flow. If you're inclined to demonstrate some care for your liver, consider incorporating a warm glass of turmeric water into your bedtime routine. 5. Aids in weight loss. Turmeric water before bedtime has gained significant popularity as a weight loss solution, and this trend is well-founded. A study featured in the 2019 edition of the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry revealed the presence of a compound known as turmerone, in addition to curcumin, which exhibits the capacity to reduce fat accumulation and enhance lipid metabolism. In practical terms, this implies that incorporating turmeric water into your nightly routine might elevate your body's ability to burn fat during your sleep. Furthermore, an informative research article published in the 2018 edition of the Journal of Functional Foods underscored the role of turmeric in stimulating the liver's production of bile. This is a pivotal process for effectively breaking down fats, which, in turn, contributes to improved digestion and facilitates weight loss. Given these compelling findings, why not consider giving turmeric water a try tonight as a step towards your weight loss goals? 6. Relieves joint pain. Embracing turmeric water as part of your nighttime routine can be remarkably effective in alleviating joint discomfort, all thanks to its robust anti-inflammatory attributes. Beyond curcumin, turmeric boasts a rich repertoire of over 200 distinctive compounds, including turmerones and gingerols, which contribute significantly to its anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects. These compounds collaborate harmoniously to thwart the production of inflammatory substances known as cytokines, responsible for causing joint pain and stiffness. In fact, a recent study documented in a 2016 edition of the Journal of Medicinal Food underscored the superiority of a combination of curcumin and essential turmeric oils in delivering enhanced pain relief and improved joint function for individuals with osteoarthritis, in comparison to curcumin alone. This golden elixir not only provides respite from joint discomfort but also promotes improved sleep quality, courtesy of its natural calming influence on the nervous system. 7. Improves digestion. Consuming turmeric water at night can enhance the digestive process by stimulating the production of bile, which aids in the efficient breakdown of dietary fats. Moreover, turmeric's inherent anti-inflammatory properties extend their influence to the digestive system, fostering improved digestion by mitigating inflammation. While curcumin, the prominent active compound in turmeric, is renowned for its digestive benefits, emerging research suggests that other constituents within turmeric, such as turmerone and turmerin, may also contribute to promoting digestive health. In a study from 2015, published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, researchers revealed that turmerone, a component found in turmeric, can boost the production of digestive enzymes, thereby enhancing the digestive process. Furthermore, a separate investigation documented in the 2018 edition of the Journal of Food Science and Technology illustrated that turmerin, another compound in turmeric, can safeguard against digestive disorders by reducing gut inflammation. However, it's crucial to bear in mind that turmeric may interact with specific medications, necessitating consultation with a healthcare professional before incorporating it into your diet. 8. Boosts immunity. Turmeric boasts an array of distinctive compounds, extending beyond the well-known curcumin, all working in concert to enhance your immune system's resilience. Among these compounds is gingerol, found within turmeric, renowned for its robust antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Gingerol plays a pivotal role in quelling the harmful impact of free radicals, which can otherwise wreak havoc on your cells. This, in turn, bolsters your immune system's capacity to combat infections. Another noteworthy compound present in turmeric is bisdimethoxycurcumin, recognized for its ability to stimulate the production of white blood cells, vital warriors against infections. It further assists in triggering the immune system's robust response to pathogens, thereby rendering your body more effective at defending itself against invaders. Integrating turmeric water into your nightly routine not only fortifies your immune system but also has the potential to enhance your overall health and well-being. 9. Promotes healthy skin. For achieving radiant and healthy skin, incorporating turmeric water into your nightly regimen is akin to possessing a generations-old, well-guarded elixir. This elixir is a potent potion with the ability to transmute lackluster, fatigued skin into a resplendent complexion that captures attention. Turmeric, far from being just any ordinary spice, is a natural gift harboring a treasure trove of health-enhancing compounds. While curcumin claims the spotlight as the most recognized and studied compound, turmeric harbors a constellation of unique compounds, all collaborating harmoniously to nurture skin vitality. Two such compounds, turmerone and arturmerone, nestled within turmeric, have demonstrated their ability to amplify the production of collagen. Collagen is the crucial protein responsible for bestowing skin with elasticity and a youthful visage. As we age, collagen production wanes, giving rise to wrinkles and sagging skin. By rejuvenating collagen production, turmeric water at night endeavors to roll back the years, offering a more youthful appearance. Beyond its anti-aging virtues, turmeric water before bedtime is also a stalwart ally in the battle against acne and various skin infections. So, if you're in pursuit of the coveted secret to achieving exquisite, luminous skin, why not embark on the journey of incorporating turmeric water into your nighttime routine? As we prepare to unveil the ultimate and most thrilling advantage of turmeric water, we humbly request your support by expressing your appreciation through likes and shares of this video with your friends and family. Your active engagement assists us in disseminating knowledge and motivating a wider audience to embrace the potential of natural remedies for their health. We sincerely appreciate your support in this endeavor. 10. Improve erectile dysfunction. Were you aware that turmeric has enjoyed centuries of use as a natural remedy for various health concerns? Beyond its well-established anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, turmeric houses a spectrum of distinct compounds contributing to its array of health benefits, some of which may hold promise in addressing erectile dysfunction, ED. One such compound is arturmerone, as evidenced by research studies showcasing its potential to stimulate the production of adult stem cells within the brain. This development is particularly noteworthy, as stem cells possess the capacity to rejuvenate damaged tissues, including nerve tissue, which plays a crucial role in ED. Another compound nestled within turmeric is xanthrazole, which has demonstrated antispasmodic properties. This indicates that it may possess the ability to relax the smooth muscles in the penile area, promoting enhanced blood flow and potentially leading to improved erectile function. If you're seeking a natural approach to potentially alleviate symptoms of ED, consider integrating turmeric water into your nightly routine. How to prepare turmeric water? Now, let's explore the process of preparing turmeric water, which is a straightforward task with a couple of different methods at your disposal. Here, I'll outline 2 easy ways to create turmeric water. Method 1, turmeric powder and water. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 cups water. Instructions: in a small saucepan, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to the boiling water and stir thoroughly. Reduce the heat to low and allow the mixture to simmer for approximately 5 minutes. Remove the saucepan from the heat source and let it cool for a few minutes. To eliminate any lumps or impurities, strain the mixture through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth. Pour the freshly prepared turmeric water into a cup and savor. Note: you can adjust the quantity of turmeric powder to suit your taste preferences. Let's delve into the second method for crafting turmeric water, this time using fresh turmeric root. This method offers a delightful twist to your turmeric-infused concoction. Method 2, fresh turmeric root and water. Ingredients: 1 fresh turmeric root, approximately 2 inches long. 2 cups water. Instructions: begin by thoroughly rinsing the fresh turmeric root under cold water to eliminate any traces of dirt or debris. Next, either grate the turmeric root using a fine grater or finely chop it into small pieces. In a small saucepan, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Add the freshly grated or chopped turmeric to the boiling water, ensuring a good stir to incorporate the turmeric. Reduce the heat to a low setting and allow the mixture to simmer for approximately 10 minutes, infusing the water with the turmeric's essence. Remove the saucepan from the heat source and grant it a few moments to cool down. To ensure a smooth texture, strain the mixture through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth, effectively eliminating any potential lumps or impurities. Finally, pour this freshly brewed turmeric water into a cup, ready to savor. Additional tip: if you desire extra flavor and an added boost of health benefits, consider incorporating a touch of honey, lemon, or ginger to your turmeric water. Just remember to give it a thorough stir before indulging. Seeking guidance from a healthcare professional is a wise step before introducing turmeric into your dietary regimen, particularly if you are currently taking medications or managing a medical condition. As we conclude our journey of discovery, delving into the remarkable advantages of turmeric water at night, we hope you find inspiration to incorporate this potent elixir into your routine. From its potential to mitigate inflammation and promote skin health to enhancing cognitive function and facilitating weight management, the list of potential benefits associated with turmeric water is extensive and compelling. However, it's crucial to remember that turmeric water is not a panacea and should not be considered a substitute for medical treatment or advice. Consulting with a healthcare professional before making any dietary or lifestyle modifications remains of paramount importance. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.